The boy who cried, "Wolf, wolf." There lived a shepherd boy in a village. He grazed the goats and sheep of other people. People paid him for the service. The village was surrounded by lush green pastures and with fresh foaming brooks. During the daytime, the boy gathered the goats and sheep from various houses and drove them to the pastures. He tended the flock vigilantly and cautiously. People were happy with him for rendering them his services. They were highly satisfied with his work. One day, while he was grazing the flock, a mischievous idea flashed through his mind. He wanted to horrify the people. He climbed on a high rock and began yelling, "Wolf, wolf, wolf." The people of the village heard the cries of the boy. They rushed towards the pasture to help him. When they reached there, they found the boy laughing. They admonished the boy for making such a silly joke. They advised him never to do such a mischief again. After some days, the boy repeated the same mischief. Again people came running to his help. But when they learnt that it was also a joke, they decided never to come at the call of the boy again. One day, a wolf did attack the boy and his flock. The boy was horrified and began crying at the top of his voice, "Wolf, wolf, wolf." But no one paid any attention to him. They thought that he was repeating the same childish joke. The wolf killed not only many sheep and goats but also the boy. Moral: a liar is never believed even when he speaks the truth.